All right, so I saw this article and it said WhatsApp introduced new monetization features that allows businesses and creators to earn directly from their content on WhatsApp. So this was posted weeks ago when WhatsApp came out to announce that very, very soon they are going to be introducing ads on WhatsApp for creators to use and actually monetize WhatsApp. But that's not what we want to talk about today because this has not been launched yet. Today we want to talk about different methods you can use to make money on WhatsApp, especially right here in Nigeria. So if you're really, really interested, just pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. I talk about different online side hustles that can help you. If you want more updates from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Thank you very much if you've done that. I really, really appreciate. So let's get right in. See, there are some methods you can use to make money on WhatsApp that I bet you never knew about. Like, there are some methods I personally discovered that even me, I never knew about this. People have been messaging me on WhatsApp asking me how can I earn money online, but they have WhatsApp installed in their phones and they are messaging me with this particular WhatsApp. So I was like, okay, let me do more research and show people how they can actually use this their WhatsApp to earn some money for themselves. That is why in today's video, I want to give you 9 proven ways that I can use to earn money on WhatsApp. Now, you need to know that this method requires work, so you have to put the effort. All right, so there's actually a very popular content creator we know in Nigeria. We popularly know him as Gege. Do you know that there are some people that go to his live session, they go on his page on TikTok? Do you know what they do? They go on his page, they get some of his content, they pick out segments of his content. Do you know what they do? They cut out those content, they convert these videos to audio, and they sell it on WhatsApp, and they actually make money from that. I was actually shocked when I noticed that people sell this voice note on WhatsApp. This is actually funny, but this is a side hustle that people are actually doing, Nigerians are doing to actually earn some money. So the number one way to make money on WhatsApp is called stickers and creative content. Viral memes, you cut them to GIF and stickers, and you sell their packs on WhatsApp to different people, and you use this method to make money for yourself. So tell me in the comment section if you knew about this particular method. The second way you can make money with your WhatsApp app is called sponsored posts and brand partnership. Do you know that there are people that have up to 10,000 WhatsApp status views every single day or whatever? They have like 1,000 a day, some have 500 a day, some have 3,000, some people even have 10,000 a day, if I'm not wrong, right? And some people also have a lot of WhatsApp groups and a large community on WhatsApp. So what happened is that people and different brands actually partner with you. And to be sincere, I have actually experienced this because I have different communities on WhatsApp. This is something that I've actually worked out for me personally. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys here. Some people will ask me, okay, how can I get people into my WhatsApp groups? There are a lot of platforms that can help you do that. For example, platforms like Hawkit, platforms like Freebies, platforms like Socialize, platforms like Social Earning. You can actually pay them a token. Make sure you're getting people that are actually interested in what you have to offer, right? That is very, very important. And also make sure you have value to offer people. The third way to make money on WhatsApp is called Referrals and Survey program. You can actually join different referral programs or survey programs, and you can actually promote your referral link on your WhatsApp status. Platforms like OPay, PalmPay, Piggyvest. I use Optimus referral program. They offer 1,000 naira for an active user. You can use this method to earn extra cash for yourself. There are a lot of other survey programs like Pounce app. These are free survey apps. Swagbox, Toloka, multiple survey. The fourth method you can use to make money on WhatsApp is called Dropshipping and Reselling. So this is when you partner with different suppliers. You list your products on WhatsApp. You don't own this product. You don't have the product physically. Once somebody places an order, you can pay the suppliers for this particular product, and you can give the people's address to these suppliers. These suppliers will do all the work. These suppliers will ship the product to the person, and you can get a commission. For example, if the product is 1,000 naira, you can sell it 1,200 naira on your WhatsApp, and you collect 200 naira profit, and you give the supplier 1,000 naira. It's a very, very simple business model that you can do. Another way you can use to make money on WhatsApp is called consulting and one-on-one tutoring. You coach people maybe on graphic design, on different trainings. You can actually coach people on different things. You understand? This is actually another way you can use to earn money on WhatsApp. Next way you can actually earn money on WhatsApp is by you selling digital products and webinars. You can sell your digital products, different courses about different topics. You can package them and sell them and earn money for yourself. So the next way you can make money on WhatsApp is through WhatsApp TV and broadcast channels. Some people that offer premium content on WhatsApp. So you can actually create content within a particular niche. Through this niche, you can monetize through subscriptions and through people paying you to promote their channels, their groups. This is another method you can use to make money on WhatsApp. Eighth way you can use to make money on WhatsApp is through affiliate marketing, right? You can sign up for platforms like Sila, Expania, Amazon. You can sign up for Konga, Jumia Call affiliate program, platforms like Sabi Mentor. Now, these are platforms that actually offer affiliate programs so you can resell digital products. So you can resell these products on your groups, your status, your channel, and so on and so forth, right? And it's actually advisable for you to have a specific niche, like I said earlier. Have a specific niche that you're focused on, so that once you're selling this product, it's not going to look confusing. People will actually relate to what you're actually selling to them. So the final and the most common monetization method on WhatsApp is called e-commerce. So WhatsApp has WhatsApp business. You have catalog, shoes, clothes, crayfish. You can actually display what you sell on these particular catalogs, and they have price tags there. You get more people to visit your WhatsApp contacts or your WhatsApp catalog. The funny thing is that now Meta can allow you to promote your catalog. So now you can promote your catalog to different people, and people can see what you sell online. And this is another method. You can sell your own personal products. You can advertise your products and earn money. One thing I like about this method is that you have the opportunity to chat one-on-one with your customers, direct messaging from customers, and you also make a lot of sales. These are simple methods you can use to monetize WhatsApp app and make money for yourself. I have used some of these methods to earn some cash for myself. And the thing is that WhatsApp is actually a fantastic app. Now that they want to run ads, we don't know how it's going to be, but apart from that, it's actually a fantastic app. WhatsApp launched WhatsApp channels, and with WhatsApp channels, unlimited amount of people you can get into your WhatsApp channel. And this is a very, very good opportunity, because with audience comes money. So the more people you have in your WhatsApp channels, the more opportunities that are actually available for you to earn money online. Share your opinion in the comment section. Which of these methods are you using? Which of them do you know before now? And which of them are you just learning from this particular video? Share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day, and bye for now.